Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on voltage, current and power series 2. First let's review S1. So in S1 we already concluded I equal to Q by T and we discussed a small problem. 900 coulombs of charge is consumed by a flashlight during 30 minutes. We calculated a current out of it. It concludes 0.5 amperes. So to understand this 0.5 ampere we have to understand few things more, meaning let's say what is this 900 coulomb means. 1 coulomb charge is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. In other words, 1 electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So I'm just giving you some example to understand better. Assume electricity is like a flowing water, and in that water assume small tiny particles like tiny balls, very small in size. So we consider these tiny electrons as a tiny object as a electron. Okay, so if I like, how will I count my electrons, because the number is big. I cannot say 2 electrons, 3 electrons, something like that. So I measuring in coulombs. You see this number, how many electrons together is 1 coulomb? Close to 6, let's say 6 into 10 to the power of 18. That means 6 to quintillion. And directly after 6, there is 18 zeros. So that big number. So that many electrons together, we calculate, we count. We count as a 1 coulomb. Okay. So let's say one bulb is there. 1 coulomb charge passed to 1 second. Meaning for 1 second, 1 coulomb charge is passing through this bulb, meaning this many electrons pass through this bulb, resulting 1 ampere current. In other terms, let's say if I say bulb consumed per 1 second 1 amp, meaning this many electrons pass through that bulb. Okay. So if you see this calculation, we are consuming 0.5 amps, meaning, so if you divided by to this number, 3.125 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons passing through flashlight per second. So this many electrons are working for us indirectly. So yeah, this is what this calculation means. So this many tiny particles are transferring to, like, rotating, I mean passing one end to another end. So we can say that this much work, okay, don't keep it that way. This much energy is converted into, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Okay, so my next session will discuss about what is charge and charge conservation. These are very important topic, because we have to understand better, otherwise we cannot understand the nature of this concept. So these are two very important things we will discuss on the next series. If you like the content, please share and subscribe and like. Thank you so much.